Here we will discuss a issue. You can see that in the screen. Here I have created the response variable, and you have seen the local variable response is redundant. Why it's coming? It's coming because of that response variable we are not using. We are using the return specimen, but that is not a process, and we are directly returning the response. Some IDEs consider it's a redundant variable. You have to resolve this issue. By default, you can change this method format, then you can resolve it. Otherwise, you have to change the setting from the IDE, and I will discuss in the both Eclipse and IntelliJ. So see, here is a response, local variable response redundant. I have seen it should not be thrown because I am using the all things correctly. And if I will change the response name and same, that is also showing that a warning is not gone. So that's why we try to resolve it. First thing, I have to this request we can do in the return, and we can resolve it. Here I have copy these, and if I will do here the return response to here, you will see error is gone. You will see the error is gone. But if you don't want to do, you want to change something from the ID while throwing error, because I have also faced this issue. So we'll go to the original code. These are my original code. Okay, this is my original code. I will, okay, this is my original code, and this is you can see the local variable response redundant is still showing. So I will go to the IntelliJ setting, go to the setting, and go to the code style, go to the inspection list, and in the inspection list you will see the uh, you will see a data flow. Here is the data flow. Yeah, you can see the data flow here, the missing return assessment and use assessment, and Java inspection. Yeah, and the inspection, go to the data, and go to the, still not showing. Where is the return data flow? Okay, I will go. Yeah, see that here is the data flow, is the unused assignment. Just uncheck, and no, that is not unused assignment. Go to the where is gone? Yeah, return local variable. Just is unchecked and click on. You see that error is gone. Error is gone. But I will not do the, because it's best practices have, we should use whatever is throwing the error by default. Okay, so why is showing that error is might flag a variable is redundant if declare and use only in the return statement. Okay, so this suggestion is be have. Okay, so I will go the again in the setting and go to the retain code data for yeah, unused assignment. Let's check. No, I will go to the return code style, go to the inspection and data flow Java. Data flow right. Return local variable and check. Okay, error is come. So I have to resolve this issue. You can go to the directly here. There's a copy X and paste here and delete it. You have to use this. Okay. Okay. Then same thing I will do in this here. See here, if you will see that rest assured, if I will check, here is not showing. Here is not showing. Give response, give the response. Here is not showing error because we have changed this original method, which is in IntelliJ throwing error, and here is accepting because in the ID of Eclipse is by default it's selecting. Okay, unchecked. You can go to the file, this, and you can check it. Okay, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.